Hello, hi friends. Today I will tell you about the difference between match and search in Python. First import the RE module, then use match function and a string f then make a if statement. If m is not none colon m dot group. Now you will see that it's true because f string match with f. If m equals to re dot match, where f is matched with bar, if m is not none colon m dot group. Now you will see that it will be not matched, so no result will be there, blank, empty. M dot group, now you see it's empty, it's not there, no attribute like that. M equals to re dot match string f matched with seafood. If m is not none colon m dot group. Now you will see that it is not match. M equals to re dot search f and seafood. If m is not none the m dot group. See the result. The result will be f. So if we use match, then it exactly match f in complete string. If it's f then it will return true, else false. But in search, if there is a string after or for before that, it will search for it and display it. Thank you.